Ay, ba't nag-video?
My love, Yeshua didn't arrive yet. Arrive yet. Huh? Come here, come here. Oh, Moira misses you. Missed you pala.
So amazing.
And
You guys
Yeshua.
go first, I can't.
Oh. Eh. May I love mommy pa eh. May message siya. You have to read that. O, diba? Ang
In, out. Ito. What does that say?
and memories in our house. In our house. Our house. I can't wait to
Monopoly.
uh-huh.
You and daddy is going to douche.
Lose.
Loose. Open the door now. Tata.
Oh, grabe, inuna talaga niya yung nandyan yung kanya. Yung, ano niya, hopya. Si James hindi mapakali. Lahat ng pinadala niya. Oh my God, may barley! The towel is there, all new.
No, I meant without my clothes.
What without my clothes? Ah,
Careful. Good to see. If the computer made it.
ang dami namang Cheetos.
Yes, ma.
Eh dito cheesy, hindi pala
What
Cheetos.
happened?
Ay, hala ka.
I let Tita Faith. I'm not too sure if it was really good Tita Faith, but
Tita Faith palang may kasalanan eh.
do I wear, mom? Wait.
Ano to? May ganito dito. Bakit gano'n?
Yan
Ano
daw.
ba yan?
Diba yan?
Fudgy bar.
They ask you. That's
Dewberry. Ba't ito lang ang dewberry? Puro cream. Oh, dapat maraming dewberry. Anong gusto ni Moy?
that's the one who said the amount of what to buy.
Hindi pa tapos, diba?
Ayan, ako. Ayan.
That's the one who said the amount to buy.
Wow. Si James, kating-kate. Wow, chili. Sana man
Ito,
lang.
mom.
Merong hindi chili.
You know, more for me, more.
Diba? Itong pinakamadami. Sino magagamit nito? K-pads ako.
This one, mom.
Ay, wow. Oh, Moira will be so happy. Yes.
Pang alis to or pang ba?
Pang alis din sana, pang beach. Pero okay na yan. Suotin mo na muna. Oh, ayan.
Well, we're going to beach?
Not now.
Oh, okay.
Not today.
Thank you. I don't want.
What else? In the bag. Diyos ko, puro lang
Mas
pala.
lang yung mga damit. Meron ako shorts na.
Ooh, Himalos! Cancel. O, diba? Instant na tayo nagpapabalik bayan mo. Ano, Qatar box na.
Uy.
Sige, okay lang yun. Oh, meron pala dyan sa, ano, yes. Oh my God. Yeshua's favorite. Banana chips, fresh from Philippines.
Hey!
Corn pops.
Sinong addict sa ano?
Ayan, si Yeshua addict. Nakakaano yan,
Sugar
Yesh?
ito na,
Kidney
sugar.
disease.
Okay,
And
65% is yours.
kidney disease and ano yan, Yesh? Sugar, magbabarley ka dito na. Sakaling kita eh.
Buy like 2 pieces maybe. But she bought a lot.
Sibota. Ayan, lahat ng barley dito mo ilagay, Yesh. Get all the barley here. Ah. Meron pa dun, di ba? Naglagay ka rin pala sa ano mo, hand carry.
Si Tito Martin.
Ano mo, Tito Mark mo din nag-asikaso ng hand carry mo?
And I put in my hand carry, but Tito Mark fixed it.
You know your cousin, Tantan? He got always drinking when he was young.
Barley?
No, this one, tang.
Orange. Ang binigay siya damit ni Tita
Tingnan
Baya.
mo ang dala niyang damit. Ito lang ang pants, isang short, tapos yung suot niya ang pants.
But Tito Mark.
Ito lang. Yes, 3 months ka dito, kami yung pamilya mo. Alam mo ba yun?
Tito, they said you'll buy me.
You,
They said
magpapabay ka na naman.
They said
Ay, ang galing ni Maya. Magpapabili pala ng bago.
ano, wipes.
May,
Baby
ito,
wipes
ito
yan.
talaga May ang pinantali mo, May. Apakagaling, May.
Baby
Nahiya na lang yung hold-upper dun sa airport. Buksan kasi alam niya na walang ilalagay talaga.
Ang dami mong
Si
toilet
Tito Ray,
paper.
laughing. He's laughing.
Yeah.
Ha?
Lagyan na siya.
Thank you so much.
Okay, more barley doon sa box, please. Yun yung
Ano to?
barley
Mabuti ka pa.
natin.
Bye-bye.
What's that?
Mousepad.
Dinala pa to ni Yeshua. Nauna pa, yung pa yung inintindi mong dalhin kesa sa damit mo. Ito, damit ng daddy mo na naiwan. Tingnan mo, wala siyang damit. Sira ulong
They
bata.
told me not to bring much clothes and I said, ay, okay.
Ay, okay.
Yung favorite clothes ko lang daw.
May mga ano tayo?
Ito yung tamang pag, galing ng May ah. May and Marco, si Marco pala. Ang galing mag-pack. Ay, ay, ay. Pabasik to. Ang galing mag-pack. Mahusay, mahusay. Good job. We commend. We commend. Ano to? Ano to? Pregnancy test.
Ang floss yan.
Ah.
Ay, hindi. Pang-prick na ito.
Kuya, siya mukhang magpiprick ka na naman sa tatay mo. Hindi ko aasahan. Ano to? Diyos ko, akala ko condom. Magugulat ako, may dalang condom si Yeshua. Aray ko. What else? Okay, tingnan natin. Baka may pumuslit dito ng alam mo naman ng airport natin. Ay, hindi, damit na pala to. Oh.
Bagay.
Ah, ito sa'yo. Ay, Diyos ko Dan! Diyos ko, mga pinagbibili mo.
Gentle Giant.
Gentle Giant, hindi Giant Gentle Monster.
Gentle Master pala.
Ah, Gentle Monster yan, hindi Hindi.
Ito, plastic.
Kaya nga. Nakabili na ako ng Gentle Monster. Ano na itsura, daddy. Si James ay... Ano to? Ayun, yung aking PH Care. Finally. Hirap kasi maghanap dito sa Qatar. Iba yung brand. Hindi masyadong maganda. Ayun pa. Barley is giving. Barley is giving. Thank you, Brian. And of course, Yeshua. O, diba? Ito yung tinatawag nating instead na balikbayan box. Hindi balikbayan box. Ano matawag dito? Qatar box.
Alis bayan ba?
Alisbayan box. Hindi na po uso ngayon ang balikbayan box. Ito na po yung uso ngayon.
Yes.
Diba?
Try mo sa mga shades.
Oh,
I like it.
negosyo,
Try ko?
kain, junk food. Syempre, junk food pero may pang health. Ayan. And of course, ito. Diba?
Very sad.
You wear it.
Ay, boom! Wow! Boom!
But what? Are we here the whole day?
No, not whole day. What whole day? You slept the whole day.